Hello friends, welcome to Voice Learning. Today we have one more great story, a killjoy. Once there was a dog in a village. He was very ill tempered. Once it so happened that he entered a stable and climbed into the manger. Somehow he liked the place and lay there all day longs. But whenever one of the horses came near for the fodder, he snapped and snelled at them. With the result, the horses could not get their food, and since fodder was of no use to him, he wouldn't eat either. Thus, his bad temper turned out to be a source of trouble for himself and for the horses as well. So, guys, moral of the story is we find many ill-natured persons who refuses to enjoy a good thing themselves and do not let anybody else enjoy it either. So I hope you like this story, and please do subscribe and like my channel for upcoming great stories. Take care. Bye.